It's the third and final day of the 7th annual Women of Power Summit in Orlando, Florida, and I'm standing here with Black Enterprise CEO Earl Butch Graves Jr. How does it feel? I mean, 7 years in, Butch.
Well, it's been a tremendous event. We have over 700 women here this year in Orlando, Florida. The weather's been cooperative and great. But more importantly, we really have a passionate group of African American women professionals, entrepreneurs, corporate executives, what have you, who have been sharing, enriching each other's lives, revealing themselves, and passing on advice to each other in a very positive way. So we're thrilled with the turnout, and we're thrilled with the enthusiasm and the weather, and the hotel of the Ritz-Carlton has been great. So we're looking forward to continuing to make this event as big as we can possibly make it.
I must tell you, I came to the first one. I think it was that in Nevada, in Arizona?
That was in Phoenix, Arizona?
In Phoenix, Arizona.
Yes.
So I came to the first one 7 years ago, and just to see how the program has grown and how women really respond and come back. And I've spoken to women who have said that they've recruited friends to come the following year. Why is this program and this conference so important for Black Enterprise?
Well, I think two things. The biggest compliment we can get is to have a woman who's attended this event in the past go back and tell her colleagues and friends, hey, I really want to come to this event and you have to come with us. And so that has been really our growth in this event. It's been more organic than it has been sort of external marketing. And that's the biggest compliment we can have. I think what makes the event so unique and so special is the fact that people feel that they can come here, be honest. They feel that they're not they're not being reviewed, if you will, by men, so to speak. So there's not a fashion show. It's not something where they have to look a certain way or do certain. And I also think because it's all women, there's a certain integrity and honesty to the sharing that goes back and forth, and understanding that we're all in this together, and how can we help each other, as sisters, to move the process forward. So that's been really the most gratifying thing about this event. I think it's what makes it special. It's 3 days, but it seems like it's 6 days. I mean, I say that in a complimentary way, in that because all of the women come and they participate in everything from 6 a.m. Zumba classes all the way until midnight, where we're tucking them to sleep at the bar. So it's been great. It's been great.
Thank you so much, Butch. It's always great to talk to you.
Nice talking to you too.
It's a pleasure to be here, and I must tell you, I feel so full and so energized coming to this conference. So thank you for having me, and continued success, and many, many more.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.